Ready, unstoppable dynasty, young over. I'm a hustler, baby.
Meron tayong nasold na 3 items today. Yung dalawa nagbayad na. So, dalawa lang yung i-record natin kasi yung isa hindi pa nagbabayad. So, magano muna tayo sa homeboy natin. Parang gusto ko tong keep eh. Oh. Yung na-pick natin sa play kahapon. Nagano pala siya, nagsasalita. Ito, bumubukas yung ano nyo. Yung mouth tsaka yung eyes niya nagmo-move. Tapos dito meron kang pe-press dito, nagsasalita siya.
Buddy,
Ayun, no?
forget the ants. Join the Hopper gang.
So ano pala siya si grasshopper. Yeah. Akala ko ipis eh. Grasshopper pala. So baka i-keep natin. Kasi astig din. Yung, ayan, oh. Cheers! Cheers dyan! So, gagawin ko na lang yan. Ano, display na lang dyan. Papangalanan ko na lang yan na ano, Tipax. Di ba? Si Tipax. Tipaklong. Tipax. Anyway, back to business. So ito, nasold natin to, ano siya, collegiate na crewneck Miami. Ano siya, hindi siya embroidered patch siya. Champion. Tingnan nyo itong sa mga champion, tingnan nyo ito ng basta may reverse weave na nakalagay. Mabisa yan. Yan yung hinahanap ng mga buyer. So anything na champion na may reverse weave, most likely masesell yan mga yan. Pick natin yata for $6. Then pinost ko ng 35, umawit ng 25, ginrab na natin. So ito siya, pupunta siya sa New York kay Max. Ayan, kay Max. Ewan ko kung sino Max yan. Max Alvarado or Max Laurel. So yan, ship natin to. Then yung second one, ito matindi tong isang to. Ito actually ano to, mahabang story na ito eh. Ito sold natin to ng, actually pinabenta sa akin to eh. Ayan, boom, diba? Biggie, give me one more chance. Ayan. Ganda oh. Knitted siya na hoodie. Siyempre, ayun oh. Ayun oh, yun yung brand oh. Pinakamabisang brand yan. Start ako ng $5.99. Kasi yun yung mga listings. Then natenga lang. Tapos yun, binabaan natin siya ng $2.99. So kanina may nag-offer kanina ng $2.75. Siyempre ginrab ko na yun. $2.75. So ito galing to sa tropa. Sa ano, kasi galing to sa Pinas, from the motherland. Nag-ask sa akin ng favor kung pwede ko ibenta dito sa US. Kasi okay lang naman 'yon. At least 'di ba makakatulong tayo. So na-sold siya. So ang sabi niya, nabaril lang daw niya tong kugi na to ng 100 pesos. Tingnan mo, 100 pesos lang. Which is yeah, legit siya. Ayan. So from 100 pesos na sold for $275. Sana all, 'di ba? So ship na natin to. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Kung magkasya siya dito, okay. Kung hindi naman, dito siya. Kasi yung price nito, ito $9 to eh. Ito naman almost $16. May discount pa yon sa kasi matagal na ako na sa eBay. Meron ako discount sa shipping. Pero yung mga ganito umabot ng mga ano to, mga $19 kung wala kang discount. Then ito mga $12. So sana magkasya siya dito. Sige na, okay na silang dalawa. Ready to go out na sila. So ito yung Kugi, tsaka ito yung Miami. Ito maraming jerseys dito.
I was just asking about the, is that the, what you call it, the shirt?
Ito Dallas Cowboys.
This one?
Yeah, how much is that?
Ito mga
Oh, ¿cuánto es?
Pabelski.
100. Okay.
Mahal-mahal ng presyo, sandaan. Mas mahal pa pala sa atin to. Si Barry Bonds. Dami siyang mga ano, jersey. Oh. Sandaan ng isa. Ito meron akong jersey na ito eh. Si Richardson, pinirmahan niya. Yung nanood ako ng ano, ng sino ba kinalaban nila yan? Dallas Mavericks yata yan. Si Baumgartner. Ito to. Oh. Yan dito nga Apex 1. Na meron ditong Varsity Bomber. Pero sabi niya, nagtanong yung babae, sandaan. So hindi na ako magtatanong dito. Meron din siya mga pins oh. Yan si Jesus Christ. So balik na tayo doon. Doon tayo eh.
I could put it inside. It already has the planner, you know, just so. You know how it's black? You know how it's black? The planner, I don't want to put two of them in.
Dito tayo. Ito yung ano natin. Wala ngayon, patay ngayon. Kasi Good Friday. Ayan, daming spots na ano na hindi occupied. So patay ngayon. Walang masyadong nagpunta. Robot ang laki. May chonky rito. Ito, nagcho-chonky. Chonky.
My God, I hate drugs.
Mga lods, today magbe-bend tayo sa San Jose Flea Market. Karating lang namin. Yan yung ano, atmosphere. So Friday ngayon. So dala natin si X-Battalion. Maliit lang yung dala natin na vehicle, kaya mga 3 racks lang yung ano natin ilalabas. Yan na, medyo setup na tayo mga lods. So, meron tayong 3 racks, 2 tables. And ito all shirts here. I got outerwear. Alright man, alright. Pinoy. Pinoy. Yan ngayon lang tayo. Actually, naubusan ako ng hanger. Kaya dito na lang yung mga yan. Anong oras na ba? Siguro mga nakaka 20 minutes na tayo rito. 20 minutes. Yung kanina, bumili na sa akin yan eh. Bumili na ng ano sa akin yan, ng lonta. Dati, natatandaan pa ako. Meron tayong, actually mix na sila eh. Yung mga medyo mahal, nilagay ko rin. Pero ito, nagdala rin tayo ng ano, ito, Sharks. Logo 7. Sabi ko mag-offer sila. Meron din tayong Colt. Tsaka meron tayong Utah Jazz. Meron tayong AOP na Toronto Blue Jays. Ito mga vintage Rockets, Logo Athletics. Benta natin. Kung may mag-buyout lang ng isa rito. So, ang entrance is $17 eh. So, inasa ko na may mag-buyout ng malaki na isa. Kaya na, marami ng ano, ha? Oh, yes, $5 bucks. Ayan, may mga marami nang tumitingin sa booth natin ngayon. So ayan yung setup natin. So and siguro may bibili na yung Nike. Tinanong yung price. Sabi ko $5. So kahit maka ano tayo. Nagbayad tayo ng 17 ngayon, $17 ngayon. You make an offer, man.
I don't know.
You know what they go for, right?
No, I don't.
They go like 150, man. If you make an offer.
Yeah, let me know.
Yeah. Yung jacket, ano, siguro pwede na ako yung $100. Logo 7. Sabi ko mag-make sila ng offer eh. Kasi yung iba, ano, nabibigla eh pag sinabi mong 100. Yeah, you want a bag?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll get you a bag. Binila niya yung Nike na t-shirt. Ano siya? Parang yung jersey ano. Ayan, $5. Pwede na. Here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Is it okay? Oh, I get you something else. Ito, brand new. Madami rin yung bag. This one is new. Yeah. And that one is clean inside.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Alright, okay, sure. Nakasell tayo $5. Nakalima. What's up, boys? All right. Ito dito muna tayo. Isa kalikod ng kalikod doon. Oh man, that's 93 man. Make an offer, man. AOP.
I don't even know.
You know what? I do 40 bucks.
How much?
40.
40. 40? Oh, no.
No? Alright.
Thank you.
Gold to eh. Ayan, may marking siya. No? Hindi niya nakita. Tagal-tagal niyang kadalikot eh. Ayan, may mga markings to eh. Oh. Ayan, may markings siya. No? Ayaw niya pa 40 bucks. Ay, nag-aano lang tayo. Mga nag-aano rin ito mga to, Rizal eh. Yung mga premium natin. No, I'll do 10 on that. It's a art shirt. I have a few more here. Saan na yung art shirt natin? Artist. Yeah, it's all San Jose, man. It's artist. Yeah. I have this. Art piece. Yeah, just get a few, man. We just bundle it. Dalawa rito. Tingnan din nila yung mga ano sa eBay. Yung mga link. Tingnan ito, magbabuyout tong isang to. Ang daming hawak ko. Eh, masasabi ko, isang buyout lang, okay na yan. Hindi yung mag-stay ka pa ng matagal dito. Para marami ka pang magawa later on. Diba? Dito. Kasi nakapagod din yung mag-stay ka pa rito. Pag naano man yung ano mo, nabawi mo yung entrance mo, kumita ka na ng mga 150, okay na yan. Wait, helmet oh. Kaya yung t-shirt, bibili niya $10. Wala.
Wala ka ng loose.
May 5 akong loose.
Oh, bigay mo yung 5 mo. Dito may isang 5.
Oh, it matches your shorts too. Give me a good price. Take it home. Brand new.
Well, when I call you, you need to come.
May independent.
A little bit on the short side, but
How much you want, buddy?
Yeah, just give me whatever you think it's. They go $60, brand
Oh,
new.
they expensive, dude.
I know.
Let me see, I just spent some money though.
Yeah.
buddy. Let's see what I got, buddy.
Cause we're leaving too.
See what we got,
Yeah, I paid like 17 for the entrance here too. I wanna get even. Yeah, it's low right now. No, but
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, $23, buddy. No, buddy. So you got 10?
eh, may bilhin na niya. Oh. Sabi ko make offer. Ano, Carhartt, they're
Yeah, no,
they,
that's
they,
expensive sweater, buddy.
they're like bibili na to, itong malaking to 4XL, kasya sa kanya eh, nagustuhan niya, brand new eh. Ayan, may tag pa oh, rain defender.
27, buddy.
Yeah, thank you man.
You sure?
I told you man.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. All right, buddy.
Hey, there you go, you got $60, nice jacket there. You want the bag, sir?
Thank you, buddy.
You want the bag?
Sure.
Take your bag, 27. Tuwan-tuwa siya. Sabi ko, make offer na lang eh. Mapauwi na ako. Yeah. I don't know if this gonna fit though.
This is the steel party of
Do
the day.
you think that's
pare.
gonna fit? Yeah. Hopefully it fits. Carhartt.
Thank you,
Alright,
pare.
alright, boy.
Thank you, pare.
Alright, sir.
Alright, pare.
Alright.
Thank you, pare.
Alright, boss. Tawan-tawa siya eh. Ano yung makakita ng Carhartt, tig $1 pa binigay sa akin. Yung Carhartt, alam niya, mahal ang mga Carhartt ngayon eh. Sabi ko, ano na lang, kung ano yung gusto mong ibigay. Sabi ko, they go for $60 online. Ito. Ang dami ah.
Magkano ba?
Ha?
Magkano?
Ano yata, 27 niya yung binili. Ito, tuwa siya eh. Ano yan? Kasya sa kanya 4XL eh. Nukat niya eh. Still of the day daw. Yan, ganyan tayo mag-hook up.
Wow!
Hook up siya eh. Ano yung ginagawa? Jacket, nawala yung bitones. Natanggal yung bitones ng logo 7. Binabalik ko rito. Yan. Yan, kaya nag-iisipan pa niya. Hey, you bought from me. Yeah. I see, it matches your outfit.
Yeah, I
Hey,
know.
there you go, racing.
Yeah, it's just that it's too big.
Oh, it's too big. Oh, man.
Yeah. That's your size.
Just tuck it in.
Yeah. How much is that?
Man, over, I'm about to go.
Huh?
That's South Pole.
Yeah.
South Pole, South
Yeah,
Pole.
but it's your size.
No, just tuck it in.
No,
or
it's too
dryer
long.
it, dryer it.
No, it's too long. It's too long.
Too long, alright.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm a good your customer.
My hats, I have racing hats.
Where?
Oh, wait. Ha? Okay. Ito, hindi ko na nabuksan to eh. Nakapalis na rin kami. Nag-ano pa kami.
Your lady.
I have a,
Oh, there she is.
Yeah.
Yeah, there she is.
I have a
She's
I have a M&M.
you guys are good hustlers. Very, friendly.
Oh, there you go, see? There you go. There's one to. Bundle it, man.
How much is it? No.
For this, I do 15.
Woo!
That's a nice price, man.
Yeah, I gotta go to the bank. No, I gotta go to the bank.
All right.
Bank, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Let me go to the bank.
All right, because I'm about to go.
You know, please don't go.
Okay.
Man, how did you get here so fast? I gotta go to the bank.
Yes.
Bank working?
Which one?
That bank working?
Oh, shit. You got
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
let me get
Kiểu cái này không?
those three. Let me get 25.
Cái size này hơi lớn.
So, because I'm asking 10 each. So,
1, 2, 3.
yeah, I'm asking 10 each. If you get three,
Everything.
yeah, 25. I give you a deal. $5 off.
Everything.
Yeah,
25.
yeah.
Wow.
$5 off.
Này này. Rồi. Tu.
For two?
Tu.
Okay. Well, I got 20 on this. It's 10 each.
Nhiêu?
20. See, if you throw this,
Này. Hai này 20 hả?
yeah.
$10.
It's Hawaiian shirt. You know how much Hawaiian
Bây giờ
shirt?
tóm tắt $10. Everything $10.
No, I can't do that. No.
5.
No.
5 là 10.
That's lower than Goodwill price.
Nè. Cái này là 5. $10.
I can take it. It is
$10.
Hawaiian.
Okay, 10.
You want to get the Granny Goose for $10?
Nè. $10.
I can't.
Vậy trả.
All right.
$10. Ay, okay.
$5 each. Hawaiian shirt. Is he gonna get? Ito pa, racing. Honeywell. Honeywell.
Number two.
She coming back? I just pipe, sir. Do you like the A's?
Yeah, I like the A's.
There you go. This one's for you. I have the player spins.
Yeah, you got that.
Yeah, that's hard to find, man.
You take it.
Plus the jersey too.
I like
Oh, you got like 6 pins there. 6 pins.
got like 6
Yeah.
pins on
Yeah.
12. 12.
Oh, where's the sweater?
Sabi mo, 15 na lang. 15.
Hasla si ate.
I know.
This one, oh. For 3. Okay, I'll do 20 only. For 3.
Oh, 15.
Oh, you want it, sir?
Yeah, how about the
I'll throw you the whole thing with the pins, $20. Cause there's like 6 pins plus the jersey. You got the All-Star game. You got the sweep. You got the Maguire. I mean not Maguire. Conseco.
Jose Canseco?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Asan na? Sige, bigay mo na.
But I like this though.
Oh, this one is the bobblehead.
Okay.
You want to throw this in? Yeah, I'll throw in $20.
Okay.
But
You got it.
the whole shebang.
Okay, okay. You got it.
You got that.
You got it, my brother.
You want to take it? Let me deal with him first. You want the bag, sir?
Sure.
Ayun, bag.
Bumalik na lang.
Ayun,
Let's
nababalik
pay
na.
you real quick. All right.
This one is kind of hard to pull out because it's squeezed
Oh,
in.
I put it up already.
Oh, you did? Oh, you read. So what's inside?
Yeah, I know inside. It's cool, man.
Yeah, man.
I don't think I ever seen this. This the
Yeah,
A's.
Captain Marble, they call it. It is a lady.
Yes,
That's
I've
a
never
girl.
seen it. The A's
That's a
lady.
girl, yeah.
This is cool, man.
Yeah,
This
it
is
is.
really cool.
It's sad they're moving.
All right.
Let me get you a bag. Oh, ito $20.
Makasya din.
You go, sir.
This is cool, man. This is really fantastic. And this, do you celebrate Easter?
Yeah.
All right,
Actually,
man. So you going to church on Easter?
yeah, we get tomorrow my birthday too.
Oh man, well happy
Tomorrow
birthday.
birthday and the Easter Sunday.
Oh my God, man.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Well, thank you. And you have a nice Easter, okay?
Yeah, you too.
Hey,
Final offer.
Yeah, which one? 40 for what?
All 3.
Really? Lose money there, man. What about that? You want to take that?
How much for this?
Okay, you wanna do? For this, $60, man.
60?
That's a freaking that's part of the loom, man.
Alright,
That's not mine.
I'll pass on this. If you don't want 40, then I'll pass.
I can't take 40.
Alright, no problem.
For $40, man. You want the cheers?
No, I'll pass on you.
Alright.
Sure?
Yeah, I lose money there, man. $40. $40 in offer niya. Outsider. Do you like the ace pin?
yeah, dude, I like them. Those are nice.
What if I tell you I have like a pull-up suitcase of those pins?
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I do. You want? Can you live here?
Yeah, I do. I do. I live here.
I live in Milpitas.
Oh, well.
If you
I live right off of Capitol in Berryessa.
yeah, if you want, you can swing by Dixon Landing.
Okay.
I have a whole bunch.
Okay, man. I do. I like those.
You want to give my number?
Yeah. For sure.
It's like that too.
Oh,
I just don't have the picture of it, but the ones I have is 408.
Okay. So 408
449.
4487. I call it right now.
Yeah, Ed.
Ed?
Yeah,
Okay.
ED.
All right.
Yeah, is that you?
That's me.
What's your name, sir?
Dean.
Dean?
Like-
Dean Martin?
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
thank you, man. Thank you. And I'll call you, okay?
Yeah, whenever you have time, man.
Okay, I will, man. I will.
Passing by.
And I ain't too far from where you live.
Yeah.
All right, man. Thank you.
The ones I have are sealed. They're sealed. He has with those those
Oh,
sand.
man, I gotta check that out.
Yeah, okay, boss.
Thank you.
All right. Ito. Nasaan na tayo? Ito, inupayan tayo 40. Matras tayo. 40 ba naman gusto niya to? Oh. Guard Brook. Mighty Ducks na Nutmeg. USA inaugural. Tsaka to may Star Wars pa oh. $40. Kasi ate, tumawad din si ate doon.
13.
Ha? 13? Ilan yan? Dalawa. Tatawa ako, pinagyabang pa niya. Kumuha siya ng polo doon. I only bought it for $2. Sabi niya sa akin. Eh sa atin naman, Hawaiian.
Saka yung Granny Goose na.
Ayun na. Yun ang mga lods. Ano na, pack up na kasi siguro nagstay kami dito ng mga almost 2 hours din. Yeah, bandang wala naglabasan yung mga buyers pero $40? Hindi na. Yeah. Reseller din siya sabi niya eh.
Mabibenta pa yun.
Yeah. Ano eh, $40. Kababalik lang natin ngayon sa Batcave. From the flea market. Nagbenta tayo doon earlier. Dito na naman si Homeboy. Cheers, Homeboy. Siyempre, kailangan natin magpalamig. Oh! So, ano ko lang ano lang naman to, hindi ko pinagyayabang. Sabay, maliit lang naman to. Hindi nga na pwedeng pagyabang to. Pero iano ko lang yung earnings natin kanina. So, nag-stay tayo ron. Dumating tayo ron ng mga 10-15. Dumating tayo ng 10:15. Tapos nag-setup tayo 10:30, 15 minutes setup. So nag-stay tayo doon until mga 12:30. Tapos na tayo no na ano na natin. Umalis na tayo doon 12:30. So for about 2 hours yung ano natin kanina, yung vending natin kanina. So ito yung inner natin kanina. So ano siya so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So ito yung ano. Then another 33 here. 133. Take ba $1? Ito yung binayad kanina nung ano yung bumili ng Carhartt. So 133, 133, 34, 35, 135, 140, 150. Tago $1 na to, 150. So kano lang to, 150, 155, 155, 160. So 163 lahat. 163 for about 2 hours. Then nagbayad tayo ng entrance ng 17. So ilan ano? Nalito na ako. Basta babawasan pa natin yan ng $17. So yun yung total ng earnings natin kasi so nakapaglabas tayo ng ano, nakita nyo naman iba nakuhaan ko. Yung una medyo slow yung ano natin kasi nga nakita nyo naman walang masyadong mga buyers kasi Holy Week, Good Friday, nagpunta tayo Good Friday. So ang iniisip ko hanggang hanggang mag-Easter Sunday doon pa lang mga catch up. Pero usually kasi pag nagbe-bend ako sa Capitol Flea Market, yung mga regular flea market lang, average mga inaan natin, so mga 3 hours tayo nag-stay, meron tayong mga 200 to 250 yung total na lahat yon. Pero pag Sunday kasi, Sunday ko ginagawa yan. Pag Sunday, ang entrance nila is $40. So babawasan mo rin ng $40 yun. The rest, ayun na yun. Then, kapag nag-ano naman ako, nagpa-pop up event ako, yung mga vintage, ang entrance naman doon is $120. Next week nga, meron na namang ano eh, kaya lang baka hindi muna ako pupunta. Kasi, ang inaano ko lang yung mga regular flea market lang ngayon, yung mga regular selling lang. Kasi, ang habulin mo lang doon, $40 eh. Pero kung magpa-pop up event ka, 120. So, ilang pieces yung kailangan mong i-out para lang makuha yung entrance mo. Tsaka ka palang kikita, di ba? Which is, pero doon talaga, pag nagpunta ka sa mga vintage event, talagang, dadalin mo na yung mga premium na mga vintage na mo. Yung mga bangers, premium, mids. Hindi yung paputyo-putyo lang. Kasi pag ako nagpupunta lang ako sa Capitol, magdadala ako ng paputyo-putyo ng mga tsaka haluan ko lang ng konting mids. Kasi nakita nyo naman kanina kung paano mag-haggle yung mga buyers doon. Talagang kung paano sila makatawad. Talagang sagad, wagas, 'di ba? Kanina nga yung isang lalaki ron, 3 t-shirt gustong kuhain for $40, 'di ba? Hindi ko binigay. Anyway, ito nga pala, yung kanina may bumili sa atin, 'di ba? Nakita nyo kanina yung itim na guy na bumili sa atin. Oakland Athletics siya, fan. So, pinagbili natin siya ng pins, pero binigay ko rin yung number ko sa kanya. Sabi ko marami pa ako na pins. So, ito siya, Marami akong pins na Oakland Athletics. Pwede siyang lagay sa hat, pwede rin sa jacket. Mga vintage yun. Ayan. So anything na gusto nyo, ayan yung mga nila. Meron ako niya mga multiple. Anything na gusto nyo na na ito pa yung iba. Ayan total yan Anything na may gusto kayo dyan, sabihin nyo lang. Pwede, o kaya mag-message lang kayo. Mag-comment. Ang IG ko, ganun din, Forma_vintage. Yan, Pwede ko mag-ship anywhere in the world. Mag-comment lang kayo, mga lord. Pwede rin ako magbenta ng bulk. Pwede ako mag-out ng 100 pieces kung gusto nyong i-resell. Pag-uusapan natin yung price niyan. Pero ganyan yung tsura nyo. Vintage siya, Ano yan? Sealed. This one is sealed. Ayan Sealed lahat yan. So yun na yun mga lods. I-wrap up na natin. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment na rin. Thank you. Till next time. Hadouken! Peace out!